Hello, my name is Andrew Bloom, and it is currently almost 12:30 in the morning because I have just finished this lab, and I was working with Paul and Malik and a couple other students from class, and I realized I was making a very, very silly error. I had in an if statement something like shift right, and then I had the less than equals and then active when it was just supposed to be equals, and it took us almost like an hour and a half, 2 hours to figure it out. But after all of that, it finally works. As you can see, none of the switches are on, and the ball starts on the left side. I did make a design choice in having both of the 7 segs display even when it's at 0. So as you can see here, when we press the center button, the ball moves. And so then if we go ahead and flip a switch, it will land on that switch and then bounce the other direction while increasing by 1. And then we can do something over here like this too. And we can also see what it looks like when it goes out of bounds. And as you can see, it's not detecting anything. None of the other buttons do anything. Alright, so it goes off the screen with the display still showing as per the instructions until we reset. And that's when the ball comes back and the 0, comes back too. So we can do that again. And what's kind of cool too is that you can kind of almost catch it like that, and it'll bounce back and forth. And so I'm going to go ahead and hopefully this shows that it does work. As it can work, it works with any of the switches. And I'm going to go ahead and let this go for a little bit, but of course feel free to skip ahead at this point because I'm just going to show you that the 7 seg goes all the way up to 99. And so we're approaching here. And I also made another design choice in that I kept the ball to keep bouncing. It doesn't automatically stop when it reaches 99. I did make a design choice there. So it'll just carry on forever. And we can just let it go back and forth for a little bit just so you can see that all the switches do work. And then, of course, at any point, we can go ahead and restart. And then it waits for the serve again. And so, hopefully this explains everything. Sorry, the video's a little long, so I'm going to go ahead and cut it. But I hope you have a great day. Bye.